It's Coloring Party with Friends 2023, an open collab. Anyone can join in. This is what I colored last week, and you can color anything you want in good taste. So think about joining in, my dear friends. And you can put it up anytime on Monday. Don't forget, hashtag Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Let's make some new friends. And here is my wonderful co-hostess, Crafting with Pat. Oh my gosh, she's so wonderful, and she's always joining in and does some great displays on her channel. Please go over and check out Crafting with Pat. She's always got a big smile for us, and she's always doing something fun on her channel. She does a tiered tray on Tuesday. She does coloring and crafting with You Rock Art, and of course with Grandma, Coloring Party with Friends 2023. She's a busy person, is she not? Always up to something on her channel. Mondays is a busy day for my awesome friend, Crafting with Pat. And here's another one of my awesome friends, Designing with Emma. Oh yeah, Emma does beautiful coloring, as you can see, and she always does beautiful displays for the coffee table, for the tablescape, always something beautiful. Emma always has something wonderful to share, from the beautiful pages she colors to the beautiful designs that she comes up with and takes us shopping with her, and always has something interesting to share. Go check out Decorating with Emma. Designing with Emma is always an awesome channel to go check out, and her beautiful smile also. Well, let's go see who else joined in this week for Coloring Party with Friends. Here's another one of my awesome friends, Jamie. Oh my gosh, he is so much fun. He does a great job with graphics and his coloring, and he's always fun and silly, and he always puts a smile on my face. He never takes himself too seriously, but he's a joy to watch. Just to give you a little bit of an idea of what he does on his channel, he always has beautiful videos he puts together and does a great job coloring. He always is a great channel to watch, and he always shares so much of himself with us. Please go over and check out Jamie's channel also. And he always has a wonderful smile and encouragement for us all. Well, here's the book we're coloring in today. Large print, calming, easy color frame. Means you color it and frame it. Oh my gosh, and they have 31 relaxing color pages. It's a wonderful book, and it's big print, and I really do love the pages. And these are the ones I colored today. Thank you again for stopping by for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. We love having you stop by, and don't forget, it's an open collab. Anyone can join in, and we love having you here. See you next week for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Thank you all for your love and support. Hi, my dear friends. This is the first page of 2. I hope you enjoy what I colored today. This is a very inspirational video, I think, and this page really brought a smile to my face. I think we need to smile more and think positive and be happy more. Even if we don't feel happy all the time, smiling more does bring happiness to us. And of course, my garden always brings me happiness. Hope you enjoy what I shared today with you, and I hope you enjoyed coming over for the party. We always love having you here, and we love spending time with you, and I can't wait to see what all of you have done. I hope everyone goes over to the playlist and checks out all the awesome creators that joined in. It always brings me a lot of joy, as you can see, doing Coloring Party with Friends. Sorry I was a little late getting this video up. My tablet's been acting up a lot again, and it's brand new, and I'm still having trouble with it. Oh well, we just do the best we can with what we have. And now let's go check out our second page. This one, of course, brought me a lot of joy, and I very few colors, as you can see, mostly oranges, greens, and yellows. And I even colored the background with those same color schemes and the flowers. As you know, I love flowers a lot, and I do pick a lot of books that have flowers to color and try to make sure that these flowers popped off the page, and I thought we did pretty good. I kept working with it and building color on top of color until I was happy how it turned out. Let me know what you thought. And how did you like how I colored the background? I thought it turned out pretty good. I got some of my markers on a wet paper towel and just dabbed it all around. Made it easy to color the background and made those flowers pop. What do you think?